Hi, welcome to Car360. This is a 2022 Hyundai IONIQ 5 Premium, registration CF22NVV, with just 69,200 miles and ready to drive away. It's had one owner and comes with a clear history. Powered by a 73 kilowatt hour battery, it offers up to 285 miles of range and goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. Ultra rapid charge takes it from 0 to 80% in around 17 minutes. Enjoy 4-wheel drive, large boot space, a wireless phone charging pad and smart cruise control with stop and go. If you're interested in this car, reserve it online or contact one of our EV specialists today. Thank you.